Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got something a little bit different. This is from Roccabox. You may already be familiar with Roccabox. If you're not, Roccabox is a beauty box website. They do monthly subscription boxes from £15 a month, and they also do limited edition beauty boxes as well. Well, they got in touch with me a little while ago asking if I'd be interested in unboxing for you lot their build your own box. I love the concept behind this, so I had to say yes, and I know a load of you would be interested in this as well. So this is the box. It contains all the products that I've chosen. The cost of the box is £32 and then £3.95 shipping on top. But Roccabox have given me a code to share with you, which is DOABG, and that'll entitle you to have 20% off, bringing it down to, I believe, £26.40. So you get to choose 5 products over 3 different categories, from top brands like Rodial, STARSKIN, Manucurist, Full, Sentier, VOTARY and more. Customers can choose 2 products from list A, 2 products from list B, and 1 product from list C. All the information about the products featured can be found on their website. A link to the Roccabox Build Your Own Box and also their website and subscription you'll be able to find down below, including the code that I mentioned at the start. So if you're interested in taking a look, you're welcome to do so down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what I've chosen. A little note inside. It says, "Hey there, your personalised beauty edit has arrived. You've handpicked your perfect lineup because nobody knows your beauty routine better than you do. Whether you're restocking favourites, exploring new must-haves, or unboxing a thoughtfully created gift, this box is designed with you in mind. Now it's time to indulge, dive in and enjoy your new self-care ritual." Starting off with a gorgeously packaged serum. This is by STARSKIN. It's a Korean beauty brand, and this is STARSKIN Organic Celery Juice Serum and Oil Emulsion. This serum on its own retails for £43, and there's 50 mils here. It's a 3-in-1 product that combines a serum, oil and emulsion in one. It contains 50% pure celery juice and radish seed extracts that are rich in vitamins A, C and K, amino acids and minerals. I thought it might not come out then. Yes, it does. It hydrates, purifies and fights free radicals. Look how green that is. And it promotes a clear, radiant complexion. I'm gonna have to smell it. It smells nice. It smells nice and fresh. It doesn't smell of celery. I don't think so. It smells a bit of orange. Just very subtle. It's not a strong smell at all. But yeah, all that green is gone now. So it might look a bit odd when it first comes out, but that feels so nice. It says a little bit about celery juice here. The miracle potion with a devoted following worldwide. Millions of people drinking it swear it's the secret to clear, glowing skin. If this remarkable vegetable juice is one of the most powerful and healthy elixirs we can drink, why not translate it into the ultimate skincare product? So we did. We developed the first celery juice based total skincare treatment in the world. So there's that. That's the first item I chose. Next, I chose Disciple. This is Dreamy Skin Retinol Night Oil. 0.5% retinol. Regenerating, firming and brightening night oil for daily use. There's 20 mils here, and this retails for £35. It's an overnight retinol treatment for smoother, brighter and younger looking skin. It targets pigmentation, pores, fine lines and firm skin. It's suitable for all skin types, including acne skin. It's a multi-action oil for anti-aging, brightening and clarifying. Try a little bit on my hand there. Woo. You can see what type of oil it is. I'm quite fussy with my oils. A lot of you already know this. But I tend to wear oils at night, and I don't want an oil. No, it's nice. I don't want an oil that is going to be super sticky, hair sticking to my face, sticking to my husband, the pillowcase, whatever. Unfortunately, some oils are like that. It depends on our skin type, doesn't it? But no, this one is really, really nice. And that's quite quickly absorbed into my skin as well. So yeah, it's a nice nighttime anti-aging oil there from Disciple. Next, I got something for my hands. This is another product from STARSKIN, the Korean beauty brand. This is Hollywood Hand Model. It's a nourishing hand mask and their gloves. One hand mask contains 1 full bottle of serum. And this retails for £10. It's a double layer spa-like mask to treat dry, aging hands. It's infused with shea butter and 16 botanical oils and extracts. It creates like a sauna effect, so it's deeply nourishing and helps repair and hydrate while you've got them on. And it leaves hands soft, smooth and regenerated. It tells you on the back there how to use it. And I've actually used this one before and I loved it. So as soon as I saw it on the Roccabox website, yeah, I had to add it into the box. So I'll be doing that before I go on my holiday. I'm going to Cyprus in a couple of weeks' time. I need my feet doing, actually. I'm too embarrassed to go to a salon for that. Yeah, I wouldn't want anyone to have to deal with my feet. But yeah, my hands, they tend to get quite dry around the cuticles, and yeah, I think that'd be quite a nice treatment before I have my nails done before I go away. And yeah, that's just like a little pamper session. So the last two products are a duo. They are individual. I could have chosen individual items, but I decided to go for a shampoo and conditioner duo by Fuel. These are all-rounder, hydrating, nourishing and anti-freeze shampoo and conditioner. Power ingredients: vegetable collagen, biotin, neosans, squalene and hyaluronic acid, and there's 75 mils in each. Scented with notes of sandalwood, cedarwood, vanilla and sea salt, which, yeah, I have to have a sniff of this. Ooh, which one have I got? Conditioner. Although both of them are going to smell the same, aren't they? Right, hold on. Yeah, the smell is really lovely. Nice and fresh again. I've tried other shampoos from this brand before, and we've actually currently got one in the bathroom downstairs, but I thought this sounded really, really good and would be a good option actually for me to take on holiday with me. The fact that they contain collagen and biotin and hyaluronic acid, yeah, that's a bonus for me. So there's those two. So those are all the products that I chose. Shall I add them all up to see how much they come to? I forgot to say that the shampoo is worth £12 and the conditioner is worth £13. The hand mask is £10. The Disciple Night Serum is worth £35. And this gorgeous STARSKIN Celery Serum, that is worth £43. All of these contents that I've chosen myself come in at £113. So as mentioned at the start, you'll find details to this box down below in my description, as well as my 20% off code, which is DOABG. You'll find it all listed down there. I would love to know what you think. Have you bought a build your own box from Roccabox yet? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, I'm definitely going to have a look? I'd love to hear what you think. So please let me know. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.